Hi guys, here in my hand I have a toothpick. You guys see it? Well, I'm going to make this toothpick disappear. See here, I have it in my hand. Now I'm going to make it disappear. There, it's gone. You guys see that? Well, now I'm going to make it reappear. Oh, there. Did you guys see it? Well, here. Now I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Look, you take some tape, basically. You cut a tiny piece off. You stick it with a little hole so you can place the toothpick inside. You see there, guys, the hole? It's very small, hard to see. So now, once you do it, you slip it inside like that. You cover it like that, and you go like that. So it's gone. And when you want to make it reappear, you guys can go like that, like I did it, or you can just go like that, take it out, whoa, like that. But as you guys want, I have no problem with both. Here, please subscribe and rate it 5 stars.